Alrighty guys, follow the trail. Y'all see that? What do you see? Let's find out where this trail leads to. Okay. Uh-oh, we getting warm. Zigzag where he bagged out. Zigzag, zigzag where he bagged out. Follow the trail, follow the trail, follow the trail. And ladies and gentlemen, ta-da! This is what we lead to. Yes. Knucklehead either double sealed the oil filter or didn't put an oil filter on at all. Now, the question remains, did the engine lock up? Because we called them. Hey, stop, whatever you're doing, wherever you at, turn the car off, don't matter. If you're in the middle of the road, just turn the car off. Okay, we turn it off. I don't know. So we on our way up the street with 5 quarts of oil, a filter, and get this corrected. Because he said the engine hasn't seized up yet. But look, you would think after all of that, I don't know if that thing got a Hemi in it or a 3.6 Pentastar. Either rate is about 5 quarts. Now, if I had to guess, this looked like about 3 quarts. So yeah, some quarts to spare in the bottom of the oil pan. You know, there's still a little bit left, but yeah, right here, somebody should have said something. Hey, check this, check that, because that trail leads to seize up, locked up land, but it's not locked up. All right, so I'm not here to embarrass anybody. So we're about to go down here now with a gallon of oil and a filter, and we're gonna get this thing rectified, guys. We all human, we all make mistakes. The guy shouldn't be fired. No, I'm not advocating he get fired. I'm just advocating he stay focused at what he's doing. All right, what y'all think? Let me know y'all thought. Alrighty guys, we got this. Yes, had a little oops. Oh my goodness, oil everywhere. We gotta clean this off. We do not give our customers their cars back with all this oil under here. Hold on, let me get over here. I'm gonna see this guy set up. What he do?
Right here. You can't get it nowhere else.
Oh, he comes out and sprays the engine. Oh. Yes, we take pride in our work around here. We do not leave our customers with undercarriage clean. All right, you got a Pentastar or oil cooler leak or something?
No, this is degreaser.
Degreaser, as far as the chemical go. It's gonna be squeaky clean when we done, guys. Then we're gonna rinse it off. Yeah, they had a major oil leak. All right, so we get this all fixed up. All right, y'all, this is how we do. So just want y'all to know, we take pride in our customers' work. All right, guys, I gotta go.